And I'm Sean from RecPro.com. Thank you very much for joining us for this installment of our video blog series, 5 protein-packed snacks you can take with yourselves on an RV camping trip. Now first, and probably the most famous, is trail mix. Now trail mix can be whatever you want it to be. You can buy some at the store, or you can make your own at home. We would suggest you make your own at home because it's a lot more fun. It's something you do as a family, and you can put whatever ingredients that you want to into the mixes. Yeah, very yummy. Now, the most basic trail mix that you can make is a mixture of dark chocolate, almonds, and dried fruit. Now, you want to be careful with the dried fruit because while it will give you carbs, if you're trying to watch your sugars, dried fruits can be very sugary.
Next on the list is tuna. These come in pre-made pouches and they don't need to be refrigerated.
Oh, that's awesome, so you can take them with you.
That's right.
Another one that will come in pre-made pouches might be a little bit difficult to make at home, but they do have, appliances where you can dehydrate beef and things like that, but it's probably a lot easier to pick up some Jack Links off of the shelf. Beef jerky. Beef jerky is a staple for campers and people that go out on hikes or long treks into the wilderness. There's lots of protein. It's very healthy for you. The only thing you want to watch is a lot of beef jerky is really high in salt, so you want to watch that you don't eat too much because you can really overshoot your sodium intake for the day.
Number 4 on the list is my personal favorite, PB&J's.
What?
They're high protein, they've got your carbs, and you don't need to put them in the refrigerator.
Which is awesome because you can stick them in a sack and put them in your backpack and go. Now, last but definitely not least, and my personal favorite on the list is dark chocolate. Oh, dark chocolate. Perfect excuse to have chocolate when you want chocolate, even if you're trying to, watch the waistline, as I do. Dark chocolate's full of antioxidants. It's got the caffeine, so it gives you energy when you're out there on the trails. And the sugars aren't as bad as what you'll find in milk chocolate and other treats of that nature. So you could say it's a superfood. Thanks so much for joining us. Please subscribe below and keep coming back to watch more videos for your enjoyment and from RecPro. Next.
Number 2 on the list is tuna. They have
So what's next on the list?
Number 2 on the list is tuna. This is great because they come in pre-packaged packages. Sorry. Okay. Woo.
You got this. Okay.
Pre-made pouches, pre-made pouches, pre-made pouches, pre-made pouches.
Beak jerky, which you get from the beaks of jerfs out there in the wilds.